Running a busy repair shop means knowledge chaos every day. SOPs scattered across papers and screens, hard to keep track. Service advisors answer the same questions repeatedly, wasting valuable time and causing frustration. Quotes vary wildly, causing confusion. New hires take weeks to get up to speed. Training is slow, and staff struggle to find correct procedures quickly. What if you could fix this with one simple tool? Meet NotebookLM, your private AI assistant, built to help shops. Upload PDFs, FAQs, checklists, instantly get accurate, sourced answers at any time from your own shop documents. Imagine service advisors reading objection handling scripts perfectly every time. Your team follows SOPs consistently, making fewer mistakes. Warranty and parts policy lookups happen in seconds. No more frantic phone calls or endless searches for information. Customers now get clear, confident answers. Estimates are explained calmly, without confusion or hesitation, increasing trust. Start by gathering your key documents. Organize them by category, making it simple for the team to find. Upload everything to NotebookLM, then create prompt templates tailored to your shop's unique workflows and needs. Share this new hub with your whole team. Update it weekly to keep shop information accurate and fresh for everyone. Trust matters. Every answer comes straight from your shop docs. No guessing, just reliable shop-specific information every time. Picture your dashboard improving. Faster responses, fewer errors, speedy onboarding, and higher estimate approvals across the shop. Compare costs. Hiring freelancers costs $500 or more weekly. NotebookLM saves you up to $2,500 every month in labor. That's enough to keep lights on, or fund your next big promotion and grow your repair shop business further. Want step-by-step help setting up this smart knowledge base? Contact America's best shops and transform shop chaos into mastery.